Hi, everyone. So at this point, we are ready to get started with recording our podcast. We are going to use the GarageBand app in order to record all the different aspects of our podcast, our intro, our conclusion, all the stuff in the middle, our theme music. We can do it all right here. So when we first open up the app, here's what it looks like. You might have some things, listed here in this recents folder if you've done projects maybe in music class or somewhere else. For me, right now it looks blank. So we are going to start by pressing the plus in the top right-hand corner. Let me show you where that's at again. So we're looking at the top right-hand corner, the little plus symbol. And we want to click on tracks up at the top. That's going to be the easiest way for us to do all of this. We are using the audio recorder. You might have to kind of, swoop over to get to it. And you'll also be creating some music to go along with it. So you have the option here of using things like the keyboard or the drums or guitars or whatever you want as well. The audio recorder, though, is going to be a really big one for us. So let me take you in here and show you what it looks like. Okay, I would suggest when you get in here to record the audios, leave it be. In terms of all these settings we're seeing down below, compressor and tone and vocal hall, leave that alone. One of the things we're going to notice when we start to, so top center is where we can record. One of the things you'll notice there is that kind of ticking. Listen to it again. So that ticking is kind of letting us know time, and that's really helpful if we're using this for musical stuff. We do not want that playing in the background though. So instead we're gonna come in here for settings. Right at the top it says metronome and count in. We want for the metronome, no sound. And then when we go to press record, here's what it'll sound like. Hi everyone, this is Miss Greenman. Welcome to my podcast. And then there was a little square box just to the left-hand side of that record button. That's how I press stop. So now we've got a little audio track here. Up in the top left-hand corner, you'll notice there's something that looks like a little page and then some more icons. I'm gonna press that icon. To me, it looks kind of like a keyboard. So I'm gonna go ahead and press that. That allows me to see, the overall track here, the overall length of, this thing that we're creating. We can go ahead and add in some sound. So I just said, welcome to my podcast. Now maybe I want to come in with my little intro bit. So I'm going to press here and I want to do, I think I'm going to do just a little keyboard here. So I can press on this. And then we're already coming in partway through this recording with the piano. So that's why up here, this is, set where it is. So I can practice. To figure out kind of what I want it to sound like. And then when I'm ready, I can press. Hi everyone, this is Miss Greenman. Welcome to my podcast. And now if I press that little keyboard thing up in the top left again, we've got it all together. Let's listen. Hi everyone, this is Miss Greenman. Welcome to my podcast. Okay, and then maybe I see here that this went a little longer than it should have. I can just kind of cut it down like that. Now, if you look here, we're gonna run out of space, and so far our podcast is only like 4.5 seconds long. So we want to come in here and add in some more length. So I'm going to come up here and change it to automatic. That makes it fit the length of whatever it is that we're recording. So it'll just keep going as we record. Then we can come in here and we can add in additional things. So again, the plus down at the bottom, I can come back in and record my next audio clip. For today's episode, we are going to be interviewing a wonderful guest, Bob Clementine. And obviously from there I would keep going. So let's take a look at what this looks like now on the tracks here. Hi everyone, this is Miss Greenman. Welcome to my podcast. episode, we are going to be interviewing a wonderful guest, Bob Clementine. And then if I want to add in little sound effects, obviously I can come in here and we can do that with all of these different instruments and recordings as well. Okay, so that is the basics of how we create something within GarageBand. If you have any questions while you're working, please let me know. Have fun with this. Really enjoy it, make it unique, and make it authentic. Bye, guys.